Okay, this is the other guy. This guy has two things, also from Magic Dust. He is doing restorations, crack repair on old buildings, and his main target market at the moment is like body corporate, strata managers, and all that stuff. But he believes that apart from the existing customers, it's quite hard to get them because they already have contracts and tenders with other companies. So he wants to go into the market of the individual homeowner or investment owner who needs a crack fixed. And he is now questioning if he needs a different website for this because this website is more laid out for strata corporate body management, or can somehow adjust this website to incorporate it. So he wants to have an advice on that. I said we can help him with that. Then he is not advertising at the moment, but he tried Google AdWords with the help of Google. Spent about $1,500 a month. We're connected on AdWords. It's called Heli Tech Structural Services in AdWords. And he said he got quite a lot of traffic spending that much. However, no conversions. So I haven't had a look. I'm not sure if he set up conversion tracking, but he said there was no conversion, so no one called. And I said we have a look at the website if there are things we would probably improve. I said already, get quote now. It's not really that convincing. It should be like get immediate quote now, no obligation quote, or a quote in 24 hours. Or somehow in USP why he is different, better, more qualified than other services, saying that he didn't really have an answer to that, so he probably can come up with something. But that's just all I thought. So two things: AdWords review, and I said to him it will be good for us to see if we can actually help him, and also website advice of how to improve it for conversions, and if he needs a second website which he's willing to pay for. Which targets only the individual and not the body corporate or strata people. Thanks.